Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kids World. So today I'll tell you which medicines I take when I am unwell, and please consult your doctor before taking any of these medicines. So the first medicine I take is called crocin that I use for body ache and fever. The second medicine is cherry cough and honeytus that is for cough and bad throat. The third medicine is Timnic that I take for cold. After that we have Otrovin that I use for nose blockage. This is Colimex and I use it for tummy ache. After that we have Bivion and A to Z multivitamins that care for my health. In case you have a muscle pain or a spray, you can use Volney gel or Volney spray. After that, I have Savlon and Band-Aid that I use for bruise and cuts. Last but not least, please keep a thermometer with you. In the end, I would like to say, please consult your doctor before using any of these medicines. Keep healthy and thank you.